Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this kinky straight wig and styled it. So if you're interested, continue watching. So I'd like to send a shout out to Hurela Hair Company for sending over this wig, and I'm going to quickly unbox and show you guys what I received. So in this package, I got a silk bag that you can store the wig in. Then I got a bag with goodies. So I received a melt band, a wig cap, some eyelashes, a headband, and of course the wig itself. So this was a kinky straight wig. Like I mentioned, it was 24 inches long and it was a 13x4 frontal wig. So I'm just showing you guys the wig and how it looks in its natural state. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and pluck it a bit off camera. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks before I install it. And this is the hairline. It does have that kinky hairline texture. And this was also transparent lace, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the inside. It has two combs at the side, one comb at the back. You also have the adjustable bands. And there was also an adjustable band inside in case you wanted to wear it glueless. So this is how it's looking. And I'm going to get straight into this install. So like always, you want to have your hair braided straight back into some flat braids. I always braid my hair into 6 braids. So here is the wig. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace at the back because we don't need it. And then I'm going to apply my concealer into the inside portion of the wig onto the lace. And once that's done, I'm going to spray my hairline with got2b free spray and just brush back any hairs that might be in my way. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So I did not put on a wig cap for this install, as you can see. So once the wig is on my head, I'm going to make sure that it is fitting properly because this is a frontal wig, so you want to make sure it's fitting ear to ear. And I'm gonna cut off any extra lace that is around my ear, just so that I can see it is fitting right before I go ahead and actually install this wig. So once I've cut off the extra lace and it's fitting how I want it, I'm going in with my Ebin adhesive spray and I'm just spraying right in front of my hairline. And I'm dabbing it on to my skin with my fingers, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring the frontal portion back and lay it on top of where I sprayed. And you just wanna pat it down to let it dry because that's basically the glue. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my melt band and allow it to dry. So I did use my blow dryer a bit and then I left it for a while. So while I wait for the front portion to dry, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my wig. So I'm just using this gloss spray from Argan Oil and I'm going to spray all over my wig and start to flat iron my hair. And I'm flat ironing this wig row by row.
You haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna stay with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Once I finish straightening this hair, I'm going to remove my melt band. And then I'm going to comb out the edges a bit because they do get stiff once it is on the adhesive. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace. So I just make a slit with my scissors in the middle, and then I use my razor and I'm just going to razor off the extra lace around my hairline. So once I've removed the lace, I just parted my hair into a middle part, and I'm going in with my Pierce hair wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to hot comb my hair because I am getting ready to style it. So I decided I wanted these two small ponytails at the front of my hair. So all you see me doing is just making a part at the side. And it's kind of close to, like, if you measure the arch of your eyebrow, the part is basically over there. And then I'm using a black elastic band and I'm going to put it into a ponytail. So the same thing I did on this side is the same thing I am going to do on the opposite side. Then once I've done that, I'm going in with my olive oil mousse and I'm just going to be playing around with my baby hairs. This is all up to you. I didn't pluck any of my baby hairs out and I found that it was a bit thick. So if you would like, I do suggest that you could pluck out some of the baby hairs to make it easier to maneuver. But I just styled the baby hairs how I felt I liked them. So I basically used my mousse and then I tied it down and blow dried it. So you'll see me playing around with them, and I played around with them until I liked how it looked. So guys, once I finished my baby hairs, I'm just gonna comb the hair down, make sure it's laying how I want it to lay. These baby hairs were a bit tedious, but I mean, you're going for a natural look, so you don't want it to look perfect. So now that I finished, I'm going in with my gloss spray and also my olive oil hairspray. And I spray these products once I finished. So guys, this is how it's looking. Yes, love the natural hair, loving the natural hair. So shout out to Hurela Hair Company once again for sending over this unit. All the details will be down in my description box below, so don't forget to check them out. They also have other wigs in case you guys are not interested in natural wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.